Good morning, students. As you know, we are revising social science. As second chapter, I was revising. So, I revised latitudes. You know, longitudes. As what is longitudes? Longitudes also an imaginary line that is found vertically as spherical way in the, you can see on the globe like that, as you can see it is the 0 degree Greenwich line also you can say, and like that it is found on the globe as pole to pole, as pole to pole. It joins pole to pole. That imaginary line is called longitudes. This is 0 degree longitudes, and also it is called Greenwich line. So it is found, you can see. So the imaginary semicircular lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole are called lines of longitude or meridian of longitude. These are also called meridian of longitudes. It is also called meridian of longitudes. So you can see, as it is found, there is gaps of 1 degree, as you can see the line which passes through Greenwich near London, because Greenwich is the place name. It is near the London in Britain, or you can see United Kingdom, is called the prime meridian. It is the line of 0 degree longitude from which east-west distance is measured. Means east-west distance is measured. For the sake of convenience, 180 lines of longitudes are taken at a distance of 1 degree east to the east of the prime meridian. This is the east, this is the west. From 0 degree you can take part of the east part and west part. It means east hemisphere and west hemisphere. From this 0 degree you can divide eastern hemisphere and this side, left side, western hemisphere. So our earth also divided by the longitudes, as on the base of longitudes, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So the longitude do not run parallel as to each other, but meet at the two poles. Here meet at the two poles, North Pole and South Pole. You can say here North Pole NP and South Pole SP. North Pole and South Pole. What is the locating of a place? How you can locate of the place? You can locate of the place as according to the latitudes and longitudes. You can take as the longitude and latitude both way. So you can take that grid and you can place the any place. So you can know more. Latitudes are the parallel to each other and these never meet. Latitudes are the unequal length. Latitudes are of unequal length. The equator is the longest latitude, and each circle becomes smaller towards the poles, which are mere points 90 degree north to 90 degree south. The distance between two parallel is always equal, and each longitude is a semicircle, and the distance between two meridians does not remain constant. So it means you can revise this, and after that you can revise worksheet number 2. I'll fill in the blanks today and tick the right answer what is given and answer the following. Like that, name the important latitudes. So also you can write the important latitudes, the tropic of Cancer, the tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. Also you can write this. What is the other name of latitudes? Line at 0 degree. Other name of latitude lines at 0 degree. This is the equator. And what is the prime meridian? So Greenwich line is called the prime meridian as 0 degree. What are latitudes and longitudes? How are they different? Latitudes or longitudes both are the imaginary line, and latitudes are divided as 90 degree to north to 90 degree as south from the equator, and according to latitudes our earth having two halves division as hemisphere, north hemisphere and south hemisphere, and it is this latitudes is found on the globe as horizontal way and parallel, but longitudes are found vertically as from the pole to pole. It joins pole to pole, but it is not parallel. So it is found 180 degree east to 180 degree west. So according to longitudes, also our earth is divided into two hemispheres as eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So in this way, today you revise worksheet number 2 for today's class. Thank you.